Egg coffee is a drink that you're gonna have to try in Vietnam. It's sweet, creamy, and just amazing.
Hi, my name is Marta from Cooking the World, and I am helping people who like to eat, cook and travel to find traditional recipes from all over the world and places to eat traditional food. This video is going to be about Vietnamese egg coffee. We post one video a week, so if you are as crazy as we are about the traditional food, please click the subscribe button down below or visit our cooking blog on cookingtheworld.com. The first time we drank egg coffee, that was in Cafe Giang in Hanoi. The main ingredients of egg coffee are Robusta coffee beans, condensed milk, sugar and egg yolk. Apparently, the egg coffee recipe was developed when in Vietnam milk was a rarity. Therefore, it was replaced with egg yolk. Cafe Giang serves different variations of egg coffee. Our favorite egg coffee was this one with rum, and because we are on holiday, we could drink plenty of it. On the cooking classes in Hanoi, thankfully we have learned how to make egg coffee, and this recipe we would like to show you today. Let's get started!
So for this recipe, we're gonna need 3 egg yolks, few drops of vodka, a little bit of salt, thick condensed milk, sugar, coffee, Vietnamese coffee filter, and the mixer to beat the egg mixture. Let's start with brewing the coffee. I'm taking Vietnamese coffee filter, which is very easy to use. There are no paper filter needed, and this size of the filter brews 1 cup of coffee. So now I'm going to place coffee filter on the top of the mug and put 1 teaspoon of coffee in it. I'm pouring a little bit of water and waiting 10 seconds. After this time, I will pour more water to fill up the filter. I'm putting the filter lid on the top of the coffee filter to keep the heat. The coffee takes around 5 minutes to brew. In the meantime, we're gonna take care of the egg mixture. In the large bowl, put eggs, salt, condensed milk, sugar, and few drops of vodka. The vodka should neutralize the taste of the egg yolks. And then we're gonna combine all the ingredients with electric mixer. This process might take a while, up to 15-20 minutes. After this time, the egg yolk should get very thick and creamy. Exactly how we want it. Now we are going to transfer the coffee to the glass and pour the egg mixture over it. Look how thick it is. Now our coffee is ready. Wow! Amazing! And creamy. If somebody doesn't like black coffee, can actually put a little bit of milk in it. I think it's gonna taste also great. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel for future videos. Wow! Delicious!